case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1992, the Supreme Court of Wyoming heard the case B&W Glass, Inc. v. Weathershield, MFG, Inc., which centered around the enforceability of an oral promise under the doctrine of promissory estoppel, even if the UCC statute of frauds required a writing. The dispute arose between B&W Glass and Weathershield MFG over the replacement of windows in a federal courthouse in Wyoming. B&W relied on an oral price quotation from Weathershield to submit a bid to the project's general contractor. However, Weathershield ultimately declined to produce the windows. B&W sued for breach of contract, arguing that the oral promise was enforceable under promissory estoppel. The United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit certified the question of whether an oral promise could be enforceable under promissory estoppel in Wyoming, despite the statute of frauds. The Supreme Court of Wyoming held that it could, and provided an explanation of the business transaction and the application of the doctrine of promissory estoppel. The court determined that promissory estoppel established the oral contract between the parties, making it enforceable under Wyoming's version of the UCC, despite the statute of frauds. Consequently, Weathershield faced judgment for breaching the contract.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.